In Texas's 10th Congressional District, there's a rematch in a race that was decided by fewer than 5 percentage points 2 years ago. Republican incumbent Representative Michael McCaul was first elected to the seat in 2004. Democrat Mike Siegel is his challenger. McCaul defeated Siegel by 13,000 votes in 2018. KXAN politics reporter John Engel breaks down where the candidates stand on calls for criminal justice reform and how to fix our country's broken healthcare system.
Eight-term Congressman Michael McCaul is touting himself as effective. He ranked 25th in Georgetown University's bipartisan list of U.S. representatives, the highest for any from Texas.
I work across the aisle to get good things done for the American people.
On health care, McCaul believes states should get block grants to figure out what works best for them instead of the Affordable Care Act. Democrat Mike Siegel is a proponent of Medicare for all.
We need to guarantee health care regardless of whether you lose your job, because how many millions of people lost their job through no fault of their own?
On calls for racial justice and criminal justice reform, McCaul backed Senator Tim Scott's Justice Act, which would have increased transparency and funding for body cameras.
We need to have peaceful protests, but not engage in violence. We need to heal the nation of its racist wounds and not increase more.
Democrats blocked that bill because it didn't end qualified immunity for officers. That shields officers from liability for constitutional violations in many cases. Siegel calls for an end to qualified immunity, and he believes public safety includes access to health care, housing, and education.
To me, that's the conversation I want to have, not just this narrow hashtag, do you want to defund the police or not, because that's not really where the conversation is at for most people.
Keep in mind, Austin voters are the minority in deciding this race. The Texas 10th includes only parts of Travis County and stretches east all the way to Harris County. John Engel, KXAN News.
The League of United Latin American Citizens, or LULAC, plans to challenge the Texas governor's limit on hand-delivered mail ballot locations in the Supreme Court. A federal appeals court ruled in Governor Greg Abbott's favor to limit each Texas county to just one ballot handoff location apiece. Abbott says his decision aimed to provide security against potential voter fraud. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals said Governor Abbott's order refines where people can cast ballots, but doesn't necessarily restrict voting rights.